Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a scheduled job on Jenkins. So I'm going to log in, and so you click on first, you click on new item and click, and the name I'm going to give this project is schedule scheduled jobs. I'm going to be using the freestyle project. Click on OK. Under the description, I'll specify, I'll type this is my first, my second, my scheduled job. So under here, click build trigger. So under build trigger, I'll choose build periodically. So for you to build the project every seconds, it's going to be asterisk space asterisk space asterisk space asterisk space asterisk space asterisk 5 times. So under build, I'm going to click execute shell. You can see it's asking me, do you really mean every minute when you say asterisk? So asterisk, so we want to build this project every minute. Schedule it, let it be scheduled to be built every minute. So I'm going to echo this is this is my scheduled job for every minute. Let's use the same date and time, which is $sign curly braces date plus percentage sign date $sign percentage time. Now close the so click apply and click save. So now I'll click build now to build the job. So it's building. That's build the first job. After a minute, it build the second one. That's how it's going to be building it every minute. In the next 1 minute, it will build the next job. So let's hold on a bit and see. It's going to build the next job in the next 1 minute. That's build the second job. So we can view, then click console output. So it said this is my scheduled job for every minute. It built this one in 12 12:57. So let's go back to the project. Let's go back to the schedule job, and let's check the second one when it built the second one. Click on this. Click on console output. We built this one in 12:56. This was the second job. While I built the third job in 12:57. That's how it's going. It's going to be building the schedule job every minute. So this is how you build schedule job on Jenkins. So let's go back. I'll delete this project because I don't want the project to fill up my project space, my dashboard. So I'm going to be deleting this project. This is just for study purposes. So I click delete project and I'll delete it. So the project has been deleted. So thank you guys. This is how you create schedule job on Jenkins on AWS EC2 instance.